What's up YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the 04 R32. So we're replacing obviously the control arms for the front Swaybar, and I kid you not, like obviously from my experience working with these are from GruvenParts by the way, is that you're supposed to have the ability to start from an OEM height adjustment before you can actually set it up and go from there, because it's supposed to be under load. And I have literally maxed these out to where I can't turn it any further. I don't have the nuts to basically lock them down, and you know, obviously look at the difference there. There is some issues there that is very concerning, because how are these adjustable from an OEM spec to basically go where a car is either lower or higher? Obviously the goal is to always go lower, so these would be shorter, and I can't even max out to the original design. I bought these years ago, and this is the first time actually me doing something about it. Figured the weather's nice, you know, take care of these bad boys, and like I said, replace that bad damaged booth right there. I'm not going to dirty my glove right now since I'm still working with this. And yeah, that's problematic. So anyways, just giving you guys a heads up if you're going to buy some GruvenParts. Yeah, I would say some QC, man. Whoever, you know, you have to talk to the manager or the head honcho, but definitely post this up and make you guys aware. Maybe some guy would probably backlash from the 04 R32 community, but you know, this is what's going on my end. You know, I really can't really do much. So there you have it. Talk to you guys then. Subscribe for more content.